Hi y'all! Welcome back to the channel where you can say Karma's my friend. If you're new, I'd love to be your friend. I'm Karma. Nice to meet you. Write in the comments below and let me know who you are. Share anything you want. What's your favorite color? Mine is purple. Today we're going to be opening the Mindful Souls box. The Mindful Souls box is a monthly subscription box that has self-care items and promotes self-love by delivering a dose of relaxation right to your door. The Mindful Souls contains 6 to 8 hand-picked items each month, and the box is $20 a month with free shipping. That's the best thing about this box. This is one of the most economical boxes that there are. Sometimes I'm a little bit disappointed in it because, you know, some of the items are a little bit cheaper and that kind of thing, but you have to remember, with only $20 to curate, get the items, and ship the box out, this is a great buy and a great economical box. I try and keep boxes in my unboxings that are magical boxes at lower end subscription as well as a higher end subscription so that it can meet your needs depending on what your budget is. Mindful Souls. So last month's box, we got the raw rhodonite stone, which was actually really pretty, and I'm excited to have one because I didn't have any raw. The love mala, which was really cute, but a little bit, I have a lot of malas myself that are all made out of natural stones, and this one was a little bit cheaper quality, but would be really cute to give to a younger girl. The golden hit incense, and again, I don't typically burn stick incense that much, so I am passing that on to someone. The garnet bracelet, guess what? That was my favorite item last month and probably worth the whole box. So I am still wearing it. There's that beautiful garnet bracelet. And the mixed herb smudge stick, and I was actually really excited to get it. So remember that had the combination of herba santa and blue sage, and so it smelled amazing. I don't have any other mixed smudge sticks, so I was actually really excited to get that, even though I'm usually not very excited to get smudge sticks unless there's something new and unique, which that one was. And then the collagen mask, I will admit I have not used that mask, and it will probably get put in a giveaway box or as a given away as a gift. So last month's box was a great box. Let's see. So as you open the box, you've got your card on the top there, and then all the items tucked down, and they always use really cute bags. So that's another thing, that for $20, just all the bags that you get in there, yeah, that's probably, you know, if you were to buy all those little bags, you're probably looking at $5, $7 just in bags. So first we have the card with the description of all the items, but don't peek too much. No, I'm going to read it to you. No, you can look. There's the items for this month, and let's get right into it. So one of the things I love about this box is every month you get a card that has an affirmation on it, and I have little plastic stands that I like to put these on and set them all around, rotate them in and out. This says affirmation for good luck. It is March, so good luck. I attract good fortune, wealth, and prosperity. I attract good fortune, wealth, and prosperity. Yeah, this is really an easy affirmation, but really it's getting in our head and our heart that we're worthy of that wealth and prosperity. And remember, wealth and prosperity does not always mean just money. When you're asking for wealth or prosperity, you might say, oh, I need some money because I really want to buy a new bike. But your goal really is to buy a new bike. So put that out there because you never know. Your neighbor could go, oh, I'm getting rid of this old bike and, you know, I haven't really used it, still in great condition. Do you want it? So what you're really looking for is something like that. Then we have our little sticker for the month. Very cute. My grandson will like that. Some of them I keep and some of them I pass on. That's a passer on. He will like that. And our first little box or bag. Usually there's a stone or two, and I don't always know what they are. Oh, this looks like black obsidian. Shiny. Black obsidian is a glass-like rock that forms from volcanic lava cooling quickly. Its energy draws you in softly but very deeply and makes the presence of black obsidian powerful in many ways. In feng shui, black obsidian is an excellent care for the North Bagua area, the area connected to the energy of one's career and path in life. When worn, held close to the navel area, the obsidian stone helps ground the spiritual energies of your body. So, it's always nice to have, some chunks of black obsidian around. I like to keep little bowls with some of my stones in them and stuff, so you can just go by and pick out one. All right. Then we have frankincense essential oil. I'm not going to take this out of the bag because I know I'm going to end up giving that away. Frankincense essential aroma oil, known as the king of essential oils, frankincense has a variety of notable uses and benefits. What better way to start your day than with a relaxing fragrance of frankincense essential oil? Whether you are a yoga enthusiast or a morning meditator, diffusing frankincense essential oil during the experience will aid you in focusing your intention for the day. The fragrances of frankincense oil will also help bringing added satisfaction, peace, relaxation, and even feelings of overall wellness to your morning routine. And I love frankincense. It's actually one of my favorite oils. So, and such a holy oil, right? Such a spiritual oil. Then we have another bag. Okay, a keychain. I don't use keychains, so I don't jump in joy for them, but that is, something, it is kind of cute that it has this little, it's not really a wrist strap because it's not big enough to fit your wrist. Guess I could put it over, put it in my car and hang it. Looks like it's just glass. It's not like stone or jade or anything. My guess is it feels and looks more like it's glass. Usually I can pick that up pretty fast with jade. I could be wrong, but it doesn't feel like jade when I hold it. So let's see. Glass. Glass Buddha keychain. Ready for an on-the-go totem that reminds you of your Zen amidst the chaos? Buddha is an ascended master and also an enlightened part of your own being, just waiting to be realized. Daily life can seem to take over, but it only has as much power as you give it. Find small ways and quick moments to meditate and connect with universal love, peace, and truth. So, cute. Even if I was getting this box and it wasn't something I liked, again, when you see the items for the $20, it go in that gift bag, right? Share with someone else the love and the blessings. Then we have, very pretty, oh, maybe like a little notebook, I'm guessing. It is hand, well, I don't know if it's machine done, but it looks hand sewn. So it is, the binding up there is with Tide, which tends to just make it more magical to me. And it is kind of a doodle book, so no lines, but super pretty. I like the tassel there. It will go in my giveaway. And I do sometimes go to my giveaway box and grab things out when I need them. So I always know I have extra notebooks in there if I'm needing to find a notebook for something. Notebook journal. Writing is a powerful way to slow down, check in with yourself, and deepen your mindfulness practice. Give yourself 10 minutes each day and write thank yous and your dreams. Do it just for you to discover the wisdom that lives within. Writing will help you feel productive and process what's happening in your life. Knowing the details of how we feel can help us to make sense of why we act the way we do. And I always think that journaling is an important part of self-growth. I just have my Lunarly journal and a couple of other journals that I tend to keep all of that in. So 2 more little bags. Ooh, that's pretty. So this is a little necklace. Let's see if I can get in there and see. Let's see if you can. It's gold sandstone. So gold sandstone is really sparkly and pretty. If I can catch the light, it's not going to catch very good. It's really sparkly and pretty. There you go. You can see it a little bit. So really sparkly and pretty. I really like it. It is a man-made stone. It is not naturally that way, but that is really pretty. Gold sandstone necklace. This astonishing blue gold stone looks like it has the whole galaxy trapped inside. The sparkles are symbolic of light that can always be found in the darkness. It deflects unwanted energies and is highly regarded in the spiritual realm as a protective mineral. The gold stone mineral. It's still, I think everything I've read said that the gold stone is man-made, that they make it. Maybe they're talking about the minerals in it. I don't know. Comment below and let me know. Goldstone man-made? That's what I always thought. Meditating with goldstone will assist you in finding calm, stability as you manifest productivity in your life. Though this combination of crystal, glass, and metal may be man-made, the energy that the body connects to within goldstone is definitely an earthly one. And remember, a lot of our towers and stuff like that we use are made with resin with the stones in them. So just because it's not a complete stone and is man-made in some resin doesn't mean that it doesn't have some magical properties to it. And last but not least, oh, pretty. They usually do a little bracelet. A lot of times they're agate. Not sure what that one is. Let me see. Huh. Jasper, maybe? I'm thinking Jasper because of some of the variations in some of the beads. Let's see. Oh, Ocean Jasper bracelet. Ocean Jasper will invite you to open yourself up to soothing energies, to breathe in its essence, to acknowledge its gentle power, and to cast your burdens aside. This stone embodies happiness, joy, and all the good things in life. When it comes to Ocean Jasper, it's advisable to keep it close to your body as possible, which is why wearing it as jewelry is the best way to keep the stone's energies close. Wearing it regularly will induce peace and harmony and will alleviate all traces of stress. And you know, I love my bracelets, so you know, that would be a perfect little addition if I decide to add the Jasper to it. And I just might. Not sure. Maybe a giveaway, maybe not. So in this box, we got the black obsidian crystal, the gold sandstone necklace, the ocean jasper bracelet, the notebook journal, the frankincense essential aroma oil, and the glass Buddha keychain. So definitely well worth the cost here when you're talking about $20 plus $5 shipping. You can't go wrong with this box. There aren't often things in it that I'm just like, oh my gosh, this is so amazing. But with $20 to come up with a box with so many items, you can't really do an amazing item. So these are just some really nice self-care items, and it's great that you get 1 or 2 extra things to put in a gift box. I hope you enjoyed being with us today. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and let me know what you thought of the box. Let me know how you're doing. Are you emerging out of this winter and coming into the spring? What kinds of activities and fun things do you have going on in your life to get back activated? Plus now COVID's starting to see some release and we can get out more and certain activities are starting to open up. So I hope that you are well, that you and yours are well, and that you stay healthy and happy. Sending you out lots of love and light. Remember to come back often to the channel where you can say, Karma's my friend. Bye, y'all.